A new video. This time I will present you the VIOFO circular polarizing lens filter. After about 5 years since I've purchased the Dashcam VIOFO A129 Duo, I finally decided to make the investment and get a polarizing lens filter for the dash camera, because in all my dash cam moments you can see the fact that the recordings, especially during the sunny days, have the reflection of my dashboard in the front windshield. One of my viewers was really kind, and he told me that I can purchase this directly from the VIOFO website in my country, after writing them an email or a message in the contact section, and afterwards they answer to me on email, and they send it over. This polarizing lens filter, we can see right here, it reduces the reflections from the windshield and will give you a more saturated and beautiful video. It's compatible with VIOFO A119, A119 version 3, and all the A129 series dash cams. It also has been preset in the factory, so you do not need to adjust it further, because I saw a few videos on YouTube that stated you would have to calibrate the filter, the lens, and basically turn it like 90 degrees or something like that. So this will not be the case. This is how it is. It comes really nice wrapped up, and with a protective foil on both sides. Let's peel it off. And the interior one, and slide it on the dash cam lens. So this is all there is to it. You see how it looks right here. Like this. Well, right now I will show you a recording, a random recording from traffic before I had the filter installed, and afterwards, but I'm pretty sure you'll notice the improvement in the video quality from now on. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye. Let's say an addendum: when you install it, make sure that the filter snaps into place on that part right there. You can see it has those plastic tooths right there that must be fitting to be perfectly secured. Let's try that right now, because on the first time they weren't there. So you heard that click. So this is how it should be. Absolutely no space between the outer side of the filter and the edge of the camera. Here as well. Perfect. Thank you once again, guys. Bye bye.